Hello students, today we are going to learn English class 6th 2.6 Advise Customers. Students, if you are new on this channel, then share, like and subscribe so that you will get regular notifications. Okay, so today we are going to discuss question and answers of this lesson. First question, enact the advertisement. Now here students, this question, here you have to present advertisement in the form of small skit or drama. So with the help of your friends, enact advertisement. Second question, discuss the following questions after you have seen a presentation of the advertisement. Now we are going to discuss this. Some questions are given with the help of above advertisement. We are going to discuss this and will give the answers. Now first question is, what does the ad tell you? Now ad tell us that you can eat crispy crunchy at all times. Second, how many times is the name crispy crunchy repeated in the ad and why? 9 times it is repeated. Why? To make you remember it properly. What would happen if you never ate crispy crunchy? Nothing will happen. What would happen if you ate proper meals like rice and dal or dal roti? Answer is, you will grow up healthy and strong. Next question, what would happen if you never ate fruits and vegetables? Answer, you will grow up weak and unhealthy. Okay. Now question number 3. Present the information in the box my teacher says. Translate the box my teacher says into your mother tongue. Now see children, here this box is given my teacher says. This is very good information and you are going to translate this whole information into your mother tongue. Now next question, fourth one. Watch the advertisements on TV. Choose any one of them for group discussion and analysis. Write your report on the advertisement. So students, here you watch advertisement on TV. Choose any one of them. Discuss and analysis and write your report on that advertisement. Okay. Now one more advertisement is given. We'll discuss the question answers of this next advertisement. Question number 1. Enact the ad by playing the roles of Didi and her relatives. One more child acts as the salesman of the Himagauri and present the text given white letters in pink bubbles. Now this is the activity. Here you are going to present advertisement in the form of drama. Second question is given. Discuss the following questions after you have seen a presentation of the advertisement. Now here some questions are given. We are going to discuss. First question is given. Why does Didi say no party for me? Answer is, feels sad, so she has a dark skin. Second question, can you become fairer in 5 days? Answer is maybe. And one more question is given. How long will the effect of the cream last? Maybe for some days. Next question, how long will the effect of the cream last? Here it is given, maybe a few days. Will you love your brother and sister only if she is fair? Answer is no. I will love her because of his or her qualities. Next question. Think of the people you like. Do you like them because they have a fair skin or because of some other qualities? List those qualities. Answer is yes, I will love them whether they are fair or dark. And qualities are like love, friendship and helpfulness. Now next, third number question. Who do you think benefits most from commercial advertisements? Now answer is the owner of the company selling the products benefit the most. The customer also benefits because he comes to know the details of different products through the ads and can choose the one he likes is best. Next question, fourth number. Have you seen non-commercial ads? Those that are not selling anything but are only giving people useful information. Now see students, there are some ads which are not selling the products, but those ads are very useful, giving the information to the people. Which ad are like that? See, I have seen such ads like advertisement for polio drops is one. Then there are those about the donation of eyes, washing hands, using toilets, Swachh Bharat in this way. Okay, these advertisements are there giving only information to the people. Now next question. Write the useful ad for the importance of games, drinking enough water, your own school. Okay, now students, this question is activity based question. Write some advertisements on your own which are useful for this importance of games, drinking enough water and about your school.